Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. Today, I'll be explaining the reasons why gel nails start lifting, depending on the exact spot where it peels. Have you ever experienced applying gel, only to see it turn white and start peeling off? The reason gel lifts actually changes depending on where it happens. Whether it's the base, the tip, or the sides, you can figure out the cause by checking where it lifted. So let's take a look together. After some time has passed since applying gel, you might notice the base or tip of your nails turning white, as if the gel is about to peel. Anyone who's had gel nails has probably experienced this once or twice. That whitish area means the gel has already separated from the natural nail. If you leave it like that, moisture can get inside and even cause green nail infections. That's why today I'll explain the causes of gel lifting depending on the part where it peels. If the peeling is at the base, the tip, or the sides, the reason is different each time. So take a close look at where your gel is lifting and use this to improve your next application. First, when it peels from the tip. There are three main reasons. The first is not sealing the free edge. When you apply gel, are you coating all the way to the tip? If you only cover the surface, the gel will peel easily from here. Make sure to fully coat the edge. This way, it won't peel easily from the tip. The second cause is not removing oil properly. This is true no matter where the gel lifts. If you don't properly remove oils during prep, it will cause peeling. But especially at the tip, it's easy to forget. Even if you wipe the surface well with ethanol, don't forget the free edge. The third cause is using your nails too much in daily life. This isn't about how you apply the gel, but rather about daily habits. Cooking, work, or detailed tasks where you press and scrape with your nails will make them lift more easily. The solution here is to be mindful of not putting too much pressure on your tips. It may be hard to change habits, but with a little awareness, you'll see a big difference. Next, when it peels from the base. There are three main reasons here as well. The first is insufficient preparation. At the nail base, there's a thin layer of skin called the loose cuticle. If you don't remove it thoroughly before applying gel, the gel will lift from the base. If you apply gel over this loose cuticle, it will lift from the base. The only solution is thorough nail care. Even if it looks like there's nothing there, loose cuticle can still be stuck on the nail surface. So use a ceramic pusher to scrape it off completely. The second cause is not enough sanding. Before applying gel, lightly buffing the nail surface helps adhesion. Without it, lifting is more likely. Just be careful not to overfile. Only roughen until the nail looks matte. The third cause is curing gel that has overflowed onto the skin. If gel touches the skin, movement will cause it to lift quickly. Beginners often do this, but for safe application and to avoid allergies, leave a slight gap from the skin. You can also pull back the skin as you paint to avoid touching it. Now, when it peels from the sides. There are 4 main reasons. The first is, again, insufficient prep, not removing the loose cuticle along the side walls. The second is not enough sanding. Just like with lifting from the base, insufficient buffing can cause the gel to peel from the sides. The third is that the sides may not be cured properly. Even if the top cures fine, the sides can be shadowed by other fingers and remain uncured. In this case, spread your fingers apart under the lamp, or cure one finger at a time. The fourth cause is nails being too long, especially if they are thin. When long, pressure on the tip can bend the sides, putting stress there and causing lifting. The solution is to add strength with hard gel. Or, if you want to extend your nails further, use acrylic, which is stronger than gel. So, how was this breakdown of lifting causes and fixes by area? Sometimes only one specific finger lifts. And this is often due to personal habits or certain fingers being used more, like the index finger. Observing your lifestyle is also an important part of preventing lifting. Pay close attention to which part is peeling, and use this knowledge for your future gel applications. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.